Hey guys, going to show you how I do the what's it called, or what to do for the intranet. It will be similar to the agency site in terms of we need to scrub it of Prineville and delete anything from the knowledge base, carriers, vendors, etc. In the agency site video, I talked about which carriers are sort of national and which ones we probably want to have everywhere. In the menu, we probably just need personal, commercial, life, health, and benefits. Benefits isn't on this list, and earthquake, farm, and flood can go away. This add knowledge base entry. So all of these, I'll show you what, well, I guess we'll get into it. So first, please feel free to go into the, or I can go here and probably get it going into the header theme layout. And hold on. The microphone fell down. It's the aluminum is garbage and bent and happens all the time. Okay, so when this loads, we need this to go to, oh, it's pulling in dynamically. Okay, so never mind. We don't have to do this here. That's fine. We can publish this. Let's just go to the back end of the site. This is a long-term duplicate. Yeah, we want to migrate all the data because InsurElk.wpengine.com doesn't exist anymore, so it's going to just push stuff over. Better messages. That is neat. Okay, so health status, whatever, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so if we go here to the Awesurance settings, similar to what we did for the agency site, here we'll throw the logo. Excuse me. We'll delete this guy. Add file. Media library. Oh, we got to upload it because I don't think it's going to be here because it was not added to the intranet yet. So we'll get this in. Add file. Okay, primary color. Let's go copy from here. The colors. Green is the primary color, and then the secondary color will be blue, and then the tertiary color will be black. And then boom, agency website is going to be agency.insurelk.agency. We'll just throw my phone number in for right now. And then agency email address will be intranet insure. And then here we'll do Awesurance.com. And we'll do 123 fake street and Indianapolis, Indiana 46220. Maps, we'll just get rid of you, and then Google Maps, we'll get rid of you. So change this to for now. Come on, save. All right, so now let's do a refresh here. Hopefully this should change, and these colors should change. Yep. Okay, yeah, it looks great. Boop-a-doop-a-doop-a-doop. Love it. Okay, InsurElk has got the new thing over here. Oh, right, we have the Intranet logo. Let me go get that logo over here going into this, and then this, we can get rid of this. And then over here, InsurElk agency intranet. And then here, I'll just do the 1x. We'll click this image, export it. Yep, we'll save it right there. And then on this custom page, we want to get rid of this image. We want to add a new one, upload the new intranet logo we just made. It's loading over here. But bam, and this one says intranet on it. And that's how you could tell that it's an intranet logo. Let's see. The agency site over here is with the multicolored with the gradient. So maybe when I make this elk one over here, I'll do the mirrored one so I know it's facing the other direction. And I think what I'll do maybe is I'll just do it as the solid blue. And we'll get that in here. And then let's do another color of the green. And then let's throw that in here. And then maybe we'll do a white and a black too. Just for if we're going in here and doing stuff. I know you can't see my screen, but it will make sense in a minute. And this black one, nah, maybe we'll do dark gray. We'll do 333 gray. 3333. Okay, so, and then white, and then gray. Okay, and then we'll call you just gray. We'll call you blue. We'll call you green. And we'll call you white. Okay, and then we'll come over here to the custom settings page. We'll go to media real fast. And we'll get the favicon images uploaded. While that's happening, I guess I don't need to jump the gun that fast. Upload, select files, export, yep, okay, blue, gray, green, white, upload. So here, that's the intranet logo. You could see here's the blue one, and then I think there's the gray one, and then which color is this going to be, white or green? Green, and then white. So we just have options now here uploaded into the site. So if we ever need to pull these, we totally can. Okay, media library. We could probably scrub a bunch of this stuff. There's 168 files. They're all taking up space. So we should probably come in here and scrub a bunch of this data. So yeah, if you want to do that for anything that's not ours or that we're using, be my guest. Next is for the knowledge base for vendors and for carriers 411. Or where's the carrier? Here's the carriers. Carriers is right here. So for the carriers, please just use the same list that I rattled off in the agency video of which ones that we want to use. It's like Safeco, Liberty, Travelers, Hartford, Nationwide, all those. For knowledge base, delete anything that's not something that's evergreen and that we could hypothetically use for any client. For vendors, just leave one for us. I think it might have Awesurance or Josh Nather or something in there. Please just, make one for Awesurance, I guess, for a vendor. And then we just need to tighten some stuff up. Like in the forms, as an example, the forms, make sure they all point to intranet.agency@awesurance.com. Okay, so then that's from the page content side of things what we need to do. And then yeah, we could come up with whatever names we want to have these as the default. So we can cover that part later, I guess, in another video. But we do want to scrub any mention of the insurance vibe from these. They came up with like a great way to nest some of this data on their existing site. So we probably want to, go through and make updates on the homepage, which we could do later. But then what else? Yeah, I talked about all the things that we need to update there. The header, the footer, if you want to update those, be my guest. Oh, right, the fave icon. That's what I wanted to do. Okay, so let's come here to customize. Okay, presets. No, it doesn't matter. We could do the presets alone. General, layout, background. Background is the D's. Okay, great. Accent color. This is where we're going to go swap out these ones. So accent color. Oh, yeah, the hover color. Let's make green. And then the accent color will make the blue. And then we'll probably reverse it for the buttons like we did last time. There is an email in the email which you could reach out to. I just have to click off because I couldn't play it. Eesh. Okay, this is all fine. Right, that was all fine for that. Text was all fine for that. Buttons, we're going to do the opposite style. So the background color, we're going to make the hover color, we're going to make the blue. And then the background, we're going to make green. Whoopsie doodle. Let's see here. Copy. And then this. Nope. We can get rid of the media thing. Make you green. That's all fine. Publish. What's the tiny thing? Yep. Close. Oops, I closed it all the way. Let's go back and open it up. Oh, jeez Louise, I am out of steam today. All right. Buddy Press Nouveau. What the poop? Okay, this is, I guess, there's stuff we could design there. Better images. Yeah, the Ivory search. Yeah, we got to change those button colors. Settings, homepage settings. That's all fine. There's not going to be any post site identity. InsurElk. Change image. This is the part that I wanted to do. Boom. Select. Oh, that's why I smooshed the other one. Okay, crop image. It is cropping. Done. Publish. Oh, cool. That's done. I think, is that everything that we want to cover? Yeah, if you wanted to do those. Oh, yeah, and the menus. So, well, let's not do the menu here. Okay, and then settings. Not settings, code. Is there any Java? No. Any head code? Yes, let's get rid of the Google Analytics head code, the header code, font awesome we want to keep, and the footer code, there's nothing there. Sweet, let's publish this. Boom. Yeah, I think this is all good to go from a customizer standpoint. And then the thing I wanted to show you that I started doing, and I think this makes it's the better way to do it, is let's go edit the menu. And instead of making pages with gravity forms for knowledge base, for carriers, for vendors, I think we should get people used to the back end. So instead of these linking to pages, I'm going to get rid of all of these. And then the vendors one's not even there. Okay, so I'm going to do custom link. I'm going to do add new knowledge base entry. That's the URL. I gotta cut that, paste it into here. And then if you hover over this and then you go to knowledge base entry and you right click and you hit copy link address, you paste that in there, add to menu, and then what we'll do is we'll hover over new and we'll go to carrier and we'll copy link address and we'll do add new carrier and post there, and then we'll go add new vendor and we'll copy that link address here and we'll paste that in here and say add new vendor, and then add to lists. Oopsie doozy, I got these backwards. URL. And here's add new carrier. And then, okay, so this one, add knowledge base, entry, add new carrier. And that goes at the top. And then vendor, add new vendor. We'll save that post here. Excuse me. And then that's kind of it. So yeah, if you could go through and then just make these changes as best you can. If you have any questions, please reach out. But we'll do our best. But thank you so much for everything, and hit me up. But yeah, those are all the intranet changes for now.